This is cool. I love that. Nice. Wow, this is nice. And this is, you know, the box. And I bought, can't read, 02 Ombres Végétales, which I couldn't resist it. Okay. And again, they show you here how to use it, option from what to use it. You know that the brush here it's not in the center, but it's fine. Yeah. Colors, you know me with the green and khaki. Definitely it will be another makeup tutorial for this palette. The brush is hiding here. And it's here, its color is orange. Look at this orange. You put the brush here so it doesn't get lost. And the brush is cute. And it's written HERMÈS here. Can you see that? HERMÈS. It's cute, cute, cute. Yeah, but imagine this. Yeah, this is what I bought. I want to open it with you. So I will see you on my next one. Please subscribe if you have not yet, and give me a huge thumb up, and keep tuned because definitely I will have lots of makeup tutorials coming up. And check this eye makeup look, the makeup tutorial. It's Chanel. You have to go and check it out. Bye. See you in my next one.